Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video, we'll be covering about how to extract the first name, middle name, and the last name from the given data set. So I have been given a task to find the first name, middle name, and the last name. So to find this, we need to understand the pattern first. Where is our spacing coming? So if you see, there's a space between the first name and the middle name. There's again a space between the middle name and the last name. So how do we calculate the spacing? Let's get into this. For this, you need to have a good understanding of the find function. Let's see how this find function works. Okay, we're deleting this and let's type in here the first space and the second space. Okay, let's see how we do it. Okay, the first space is calculated actually by equals to find. I'm finding what? I'm finding a space within this text. Okay, and okay, my starting number will be my first position actually. I'm getting the answer over here. Now, if you look at this, it's A1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ninth value is my first space. So actually, I'm doing it right. Okay, now how to calculate the second space equals to find. Okay, what I'm finding is that I'm finding an open parenthesis from this set of value, and again I'll be doing it this with my first space plus one to get my second space. Yes, this is how do we do it. So it's gonna be open parenthesis. The first text will be within the text will be my complete set of data. Okay, and starting number will be the open parenthesis plus one to get my second parenthesis. Okay, so we just drag it down. We get our answers. Now, to calculate the first name, we are using the left function. Okay, so it requires two commands basically. Okay, left text and what are the number of characters? Where is our first space? This, right? Okay, and we'll close it. Now, if you see, we get our answers. But the problem over here is that we are also getting the space included. So if you convert this into a text, you'll get to know. To eliminate this, we'll be just subtracting 6 minus 1 to get my answers. Now this is the correct answer for the first name. Now, to get the middle name, what we need to do is that we actually need to subtract 12 from 6. Okay, it's as simple as that. Just subtract equals to, I'll be using the mid function. I'll be saying this text. Okay, my starting position is from 6. My number of characters will be this minus this, and we'll just close it. You notice that we are again getting some spaces on each and every value. So how to get eliminate of this? It's just we are starting from the first space. So we can either add 1 to it to get eliminate or to get eliminated from this, or I'll suggest if you are familiar with the trim function, we can also use the trim in front. It will eliminate all the extra spaces that are present inside the data. So both ways you can do it. Now comes the turn for the last name. So using the right function, I have this text with me, okay, and I'm not sure function starts from the right side of the data, okay, the complete side. So it's gonna be starting from y, okay. So I'll be using the len function to get my length of this text minus where do I have my first space. This is my first space. I'll be closing it. I'll be getting my answer as movie. So how do we calculate it? It's gonna be length of the what is the text. Okay. How do I calculate this number of characters over here? Number of characters is actually calculated. What I'll be doing is that I'll be using the len function. Okay. Minus where is my first space? So len function, okay, len calculates equals to len. What the len is doing is that returns the number of characters in the string. So it will let me know what are my number of characters. So there are 18 characters. So if I subtract 18 minus 12, I'll be getting the 6. And I need to calculate from the right side. So it's going to be y, y, h, t, u, m, r. So I'll be getting 6 as an answer for this. So it will print the last 6 characters of your value. I hope I'm quite clear with how this, len, left, right, mid function works. In my another set of video, what I'll be covering is that if let's suppose we do not have any middle name, let's suppose I have my name as Raghav Sharma, and now you see if this gets popped up as value. So how to get rid of this, we'll be covering in our next video. Till then, stay tuned to my channel. Okay, kindly like, share, and subscribe the channel if you feel I post good content out here. Thank you so much, guys.